Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video we are reviewing MURAD Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. So this is how the eye serum looks like. I have my phone. I'm gonna read you guys the claims about this eye serum. Okay, it claims it is suitable for all skin type, normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. It helps your fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, that's right here, fine lines, wrinkles, and it has retinol in it, which is supposed to fight lines and deep wrinkles, even skin tones, and boost radiance. And it has flower extract, which is supposed to support skin resilience for a firmer experience. And the best thing about it, it has hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to plump the skin to minimize the dryness. And free of parabens, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. It retails for $89 and it's available at Sephora and Ulta Beauty. So this is it, how it looks like. Open it. It has a pump. So again, this is called Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. And I'm going to show you the formula. This is it, how it looks like. Okay, so the formula right away, the formula of this eye serum is lightweight. Doesn't feel thick whatsoever. It's a lightweight eye serum, not thick at all. Okay, so I'm going to read the directions. It says gently pat around the eye area, introducing eyelid, avoid eye contact. Okay, this should be a decent amount for both sides of my eyes. If I need more, I will definitely apply more. So that it has no scent to it. If you guys are curious, no scent. My honest opinions about this MURAD Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. The first thing I like about it is that it has no fragrance. It is definitely fragrance free. It's a fragrance free eye cream. Love it. Second thing I like about it is that it is not a thick eye serum. It is very lightweight, thin. The formula makes it. And I love the fact that a little bit of the product goes a long way. As I showed you a little bit, I use on both sides of my eyes, which is amazing. Third thing, I love the fact that it like hydrates under my eyes. Feels very hydrated. You can see it right here. It's very hydrating and I love it. I felt the hydration right away. It definitely got rid of the dryness under my eyes and over my lids. Definitely like it. It is amazing. But again, this is a first impression off of this eye serum. I definitely have to try it out more than one time. But for first impression, I love the product. It's amazing. I felt the hydration already applied when I was applying it under my eye. It is amazing. I really like it. I love the fact that it has hyaluronic acid and retinol. Retinol is amazing products to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, or even crow's feet under here. Oh, the crow's feet. Amazing. I love it. So yes, I feel this product is worth it. This is worth buying. It retails for $89. I know you guys seen it's a little pricey, but it's worth it because it has retinol in it and it's hyaluronic acid. You are definitely paying for those two high quality ingredients in here, and it's cruelty free, vegan, no parabens, no sulfates. It has all clean ingredients in it, and you will definitely love it. So once again, it retails for $89 and it's available at Sephora and Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.